Hi, I'm Lucinda Scala Quinn, chef, author, and TV host. And with over 10 years as the executive food director for Martha Stewart, I've seen it all. And I promise you, you'll love my new Spurtles. In fact, with over 10 million sold, I know they'll be the hardest working tools in your kitchen. My new Super Spurtle is wider, curved, and rounded at the end. Now you can scoop, stir, and serve. Even things like sticky, gooey mac and cheese. And gets in where the side of the pan meets the bottom and leaves no food behind. For potato salad and coleslaw, there is nothing better. Love Rice Krispie treats? Look at how the large surface area combines everything quickly and easily. Then the scraper Spurtle cuts and serves without damaging your pan. How about chili? Scrape in your veggies, chop the meat right in the pan, then simmer and serve. And it's perfect for peeling garlic. Just this easy. My slotted Spurtle is ideal for baking. Sift together dry ingredients, mash a banana, scrape it in, add some buttermilk, stir, and you've got homemade banana bread. And I love it for omelets. Just whisk your eggs, pour into the pan, stir, scrape in the fillings, then fold and serve. You can get your complete Spurtle set today for only $19.99. And if you order now, I'll include my spreader Spurtle for free. It's perfect for spreading butter or peanut butter. Order right now and I'll double the offer. Just pay a separate fee. But just remember, it's a Spurtle, Myrtle.